Hey everybody, it's Harley Quinn here. Today I'm going to show you how to do our makeup. Right now I'm starting off with a fresh face and we're putting on some pore primer so we can seal in our pores. This is especially important if you had a light night with Mr. J. I'm just putting on my foundation right now. We're going to blend into our hairline, our ears, and our neck. Next we're going to put on concealer. I'm going to put this on all around my under eye area. This is really going to brighten us up and make me look 100 times better. I'm just going to powder over this. This is going to seal in our makeup. I'm going to contour around my temples and give myself some cheekbones. I think it's important for a girl to look real snatched. Also, this is day 1 of 13 Nights of Halloween with Alexa. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this new series she puts out for you. If you don't, I just might have to call my babies on you. I'm filling in our eyebrows with a nice neutral brown color. Oh, now here's my favorite part. I'm just putting in some blue on my blue-sided pigtail. We're going to make this real nice and fluffy and drag it all around our under eye area. On the other side, we're going to fill it in with a nice bright red. You know, the color of Mr. J's lips. Make sure you layer about 2 layers of that, of those eyeshadow colors, and then I'm just going to highlight under my brow bone. Like I said, it's important for a girl to look good. I'm just filling in my lower water lash line and my upper lash line with a black pencil. Oh, filling in my lips with a nice bright red. These are kissin' pudding lips. I'm just dragging some gray and black under my eye. Now instead of bat wings, we're giving ourselves some cat wings. You gotta add, it's all in the details, you know, you just gotta add a little bit of details here and there. I'm an emotional girl. Sometimes I like to cry. Just putting on a little bit of mascara. Because in a minute we're gonna put on some false lashes. I'm just going to stack on some lipstick to make sure it stays throughout the night. Oh, my heart is yours. Actually, it's reserved for Mr. J. Putting on some lashes. And then I gotta write my favorite phrase. Rotten. Oh, truly, simply rotten. Well, this is Harley Quinn here. Hoping that you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. If you did, be sure to give a like down below and subscribe if you really loved it. Like I said, this is day 1 of 13 Nights of Halloween. See you later, Puddin'.